So I just got the most random email ever. Someone wants me to go to Thailand. Okay, it's not as sketchy as you're thinking. It's someone with the Thai Commerce Ministry, and they want me to come to Thailand to check out Thai rice culture, which is awesome. Except they want me there tomorrow. Good thing I renewed my passport. All right, I'm gonna go pack my bags, but I'll catch you tomorrow in Thailand. Well, I made it to Thailand. It's really hot here, so I'm gonna take this off. You know, it was snowing in Tokyo when I left. So you're all probably kind of wondering what I'm doing in Thailand. Well, what was it, like 24 hours ago, I got contacted by some folks from the Ministry of Commerce here in Thailand, and they asked if I wanted to come on a press trip. I'm here in sunny Thailand to learn about rice and eat some good food over the next couple of days. We've got a really early morning tomorrow morning, so just gonna eat real quick, get some sleep, and we'll see you tomorrow in Chiang Mai. Hello and good morning. We're headed up to Chiang Mai today, starting off the day at a traditional village where they make rice how they've made it for hundreds, I don't know, thousands of years. After that, we're headed to a spa where they do this treatment called a mango sticky rice. So I'm not really sure if they like spread mangoes and rice on you or like what the deal is, but really looking forward to the massage after that. I gotta head out now, but I just wanted to check in and let you know what's up. We made it to Banpe. So got my outfit on, we're gonna hop on these bikes and head out to the rice fields. 2 days ago, if you had asked me what I was gonna be doing in 2 days, I definitely wouldn't have said riding a bike through rice paddies wearing a traditional Lue outfit. Okay, they're teaching us how to plant rice right now. So, I don't know. I don't think I'm dressed for this, but I'm going in. So, I guess you kind of like hold it in your hand like this and just sort of make a little nest for it and tuck it in like that. I think my row might be a little bit crooked. I better stop while I'm ahead. Okay, I think I've had enough rice planting for a lifetime. So I'm gonna try to get out of this paddy without falling over. All right, let's do this. Dust coming out. So this guy fanning, he's trying to get all the holes to come off and blow away, so just the rice goes down there. Over here they've got a contraption to loosen the holes of the rice so another guy can come along with a basket and kind of shake it off. This lady's grinding rice into a paste. Let's see what they do with it. So I'm chowing down on rice crackers right now that this lady behind me is making on that little charcoal stove. And then when they're done, they go and grill it on this charcoal stove. And oh, by the way, this rice came from that field behind me, so you really can't get any fresher than that. So good. So after all that hard work, planting the rice, hulling the rice, grinding the rice, all of that, it's lunchtime. I think I've earned it. Here's a bowl of khao soi. It smells so good. Oh man, that's so good. It's got spices, coriander, lemongrass, lots of chili, a thick coconut and chicken-based broth. This is fantastic. You know, I've always said that khao soi might be one of my favorite noodle soups, but after having this one, I think I have to say it is my favorite noodle soup. So it's lunchtime now. I just had some amazing khao soi over there, and there's a bunch of other things here, so I'm gonna go try all of these out. Okay, got some rice noodles. You guys know that I'm a noodle person, but I also love rice, and you put rice and noodles together and I'm in heaven. So these are the sort of thinner kind of rice noodles, sort of like in pho or pad thai, but it's been like sauteed with like caramelized garlic and shallots, and there's some kind of meat in here. Wow, it's really good. Next up, we have this like a pork belly curry with some spaghetti. Wow. Lemongrass, ginger, galangal, some turmeric. And it's got this really nice balance of sweetness that just kind of like amps up that umami. So good. And then the little orchid, I have a longan drink. Oh, this smells like replenish electrolytes or something, but I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling ready for the next scene. So I'm here outside Oasis Spa, and I'm here to get a treatment that they call mango sticky rice. One of my favorite desserts, but I've never had it rubbed all over me, so we'll see how it goes. That was just incredible. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like, I mean, my skin feels like I was like born yesterday. And it smells amazing, like I want to eat myself. Okay, wait, no, that doesn't sound right. Rice scrubs, definitely recommended. Oasis Spa, Chiang Mai, thumbs up. So, I made it to the hotel in Chiang Mai. It's called the Cantery. It's a serviced apartment, which means they even have a kitchen. I'm really tempted to go to the night market and like pick up some stuff and cook. But they've got like dinner and a bunch of meals lined up for us, so I don't think I'm gonna get that chance. So basically, I guess that just means I gotta come back to Chiang Mai. All right, I'm off to take some B-roll. So I'm at a traditional northern Thai restaurant that specializes in kantok. Sounds like they've got some great treats lined up for us, so let's go inside and check it out. Apparently, yellow is my color because I've just had a couple people compliment me on this outfit, and I don't know anything yellow, so as soon as I get back to Japan, I'm buying some yellow shirts. When we arrived, they had a spread of dozens of appetizers set up like a night market. So, I'm going in for my second khao soi of the day. I told you how much I love the last one in the rice field. Got some crispy noodles on top, some lime, some chili sauce, some shallots, some pickled cabbage, and we got the noodles, of course, in the coconut milk curry sauce down below. Okay, I'm going in. They told me not to eat too much because this is apparently the appetizer, but I gotta finish this bowl. Dinner was a lavish feast served on traditional kantok tables. This dinner was my first encounter with riceberry, which is a new variety of rice with a beautiful purple hue and an almost meaty flavor. It's my new favorite whole grain rice, and I'll be showing you how to cook it soon, so stay tuned for that. During dinner, we were entertained by traditional dancers and musicians. And when we were done, it was our turn to do the entertaining. So this is me pretending to know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness, that was just an amazing evening. I wish this was like a restaurant I could come back to, but it's like a historical house. I think there's actually people living here, and they opened it up for us to come and celebrate. It was amazing, a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Thanks for watching. Did you guys enjoy seeing me out of the kitchen? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss my next episode.